Students, our next topic is types of soil. And before going to the understanding of types of soil, we need to understand the rock particles from which soil is formed. So, three main kinds of rock particles can be found in topsoil. Topsoil means a soil which found on the upper surface of earth, and they look and feel different. Three types of rock particles here: clay, silt and sand. Because of these three types of rock particles, soil is of three types like sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. So let's understand clay. Clay has the smallest size of particles. We cannot see a single clay particles. Clay feels smooth because of its particle size. Next is silk particle. Silt has particles larger than clay. Therefore, it is not so smooth. Next type of rock particle, sand. Sand has the largest size particles which can easily be seen. They are coarse to touch. Coarse means they are rough to touch. So these all three types of rock particles, these particles are obtained from rocks. And next type of rock particle we call gravel. Gravel, the rock particles like stone types that we call gravel. So small stones obtained from rocks that we call gravel. Types of soil. Soil is classified into following types on the basis of the size of the rock particles it contains. First is sandy soil. Sandy soil has a lot of sand in it and very little silt and clay. If this soil contains a lot of sand, it means the particles of the rock particles or the particles of sand is larger than clay and silt. It means they have large space between them. Sand particles have larger space between them, so they can trap the air and they can trap air between them, and they drain water easily and allow water to go downwards into the earth. They do not hold the water because they have much greater space between them. It is found, for example, is in deserts, and this soil is found in deserts. It can hold air but cannot hold much water because water drains quickly through large spaces between the sand particles. Next type of soil, clay soil. Clay soil mostly contains clay, and you know that clay size, the rock particles, clay which is a rock particles, and clay has a very less size comparatively to silt and sand. So water drains through clay soil very slowly because they have less spaces between them, because the size of clay particles is very small, so the space between clay particles is very less. So water do not drains very fast. Water drains through clay soil very slowly because the particles are very small and tightly packed to each other. So it has a very good water holding capacity. So water is not allowed to go downwards, while water is allowed to trap between the particles of clay. So the water holding capacity of clay soil is very good. So this type of soil is not able to trap air for the roots of plant, as the particles of clay soil have very less space between them, so it also not trap the air. Next is loamy soil. There is two disadvantages of sand soil and clay soil is that sandy soil do not allow water to be holded between the particles of sand, and while clay soil do not trap the air. So for the growing crop and for the growing good crop and for the obtaining better production of crop, it is necessary for the soil having a space between their particles, so that air can be trapped between the particles of soil, and uh, as well as water holding capacity of the soil must be good for the better production of crop. So the sandy and clay soil both is not fulfill the condition required for the better production of crop. So next is loamy soil. Loamy soil fulfill the condition required for the better production of crop. It has the capacity for holding the water, and it also trap the air between the particles of soil. So it is a mixture of sand, silt, clay, and also has humus in it. It has the right water holding capacity for plant growth. It also adequate space between the soil particles to trap air required by the roots of plants. So two ideal condition necessary for the better production of crop is found in loamy soil. So loamy soil is better for the crop production. Loamy soil is the best soil for growing plant. Gravel besides the silt, gravel is the rock particles besides the silt, clay and sand, and besides the silt, clay and sand particles, topsoil contains small stones called gravel. Next is composition of soil. You know that from what things soil is formed. Soil contains humus, living organism, water, and as well as different types of rock particles such as clay, silt, sand, and gravel. If we take a garden soil and dissolve that soil in some water and stirring, while we stirring, we observe that this soil is divided into its components from which it is formed, such as humus, clay, silt, sand, and gravel. These 5 components we will observe if we take the garden soil and dissolve that garden soil in water, and then after if we continuously stirring, not allow this sand and water to be settled down, then we observe the different components of soil as in layers: humus, clay, silt, sand, and gravel. So here it is confirmed that from what things soil is formed. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you.